Hi folks, let's take a look at updating the What's New box we have here on the About page. Basically, it's just HTML on the code itself, so we'll just go right over the page here. I'll just give myself a little bit of room. And what we may need to do, in your case, you may want to add more news boxes. So we'll add one first, and then I'll show you what you can modify. So we'll just select the image of the first one, so we can flip over to the code view here. And what we're looking for is, see where it says thumb news right here, and thumb news right here, this div container. Right click on the first one, do the select tag, and that selects the entire thumb news container. We're going to copy this, and then I'm just right after where the div tag ends, I'm going to put my cursor and put a little bit of space between the two and paste. That gives me an additional one. Now what I would do is I go back to my code view, and then all I need to do is change the picture, the description, the read more link. This is just a regular link, and then this information here, the date and whatnot. And that's just regular HTML that you would change. So the only thing you need to do after this is change those three things plus the picture. Now the picture, we'll double click on this to find the size. It is 100 by 100 pixels, and the image is actually located in the Site, Themed Images, Pages, About folder. So let's just close that down for a second. I'll go to my Site, my Themed Images, my Pages folder, and About. Of course, you can store your images wherever you want to. I think for organization reasons, if you're using images in a certain page, it makes sense to put it into a folder just for that page, so that way you can keep track of everything a little bit easier. As you see, we have, the news 1, 2, and 3 images here, and we've organized them so news 1, 2, and 3, and then down below in the page we have article 1 and article 2, so it keeps it really easy to know what is what, the way we named them, and the way we've stored them. Now to replace this image right here, I said it was 100 by 100. I would go to my little folder here where I've created replacement images. I grab my 100 by 100 JPEG image, I drop it in here. Oops, I have to close that down there first. I would drop this in like so. There's my 100 by 100. I can now double click, hit the browse button, go to my website, site styles, sorry, not site styles, site themed images, pages, about, and there's my 100 by 100. I click open and OK. Double click again, go to the appearance tab, remove the specify size, and that's it. My image is done. Now I can just change the information, the description, the read more, and the date like normal.